The AI revolution has just begun and it is not slowing down anytime soon. With the help of powerful AI tools, anybody will be able to create content, products, and services that were once only available to the privileged few. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools to generate wealth in 2025. This video is made for people between the ages of 18 to 35 years old who want to make a significant amount of money online using the latest AI tools. The methods I am going to share with you in this video have the potential to make you $100,000 or more per month. But it's important to note that nothing comes for free and you'll need to invest time, effort, and money to see results. If you're willing to put in the work, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Here's an example of one of the prompts I fed into the AI tool ChatGPT. As you can see, I asked it to write me 10 unique business ideas for an online course. And the best part is that all of these ideas are currently trending on Google. Now, I could take any one of these ideas and create an online course around it using my skills or outsource the work to someone else. Then I could use another AI tool like Descript to create a sales page for my online course. Here's an example prompt you can feed into Descript to generate a sales page. Write a sales page for an online course called Advanced Facebook Ads for Beginners. The course teaches students how to run profitable Facebook ad campaigns from beginner to advanced level. This is what the AI tool generates, and it's ready to be used. You can literally copy and paste the generated text into a document and then use a website builder to build out your very own sales page. Another way you can use AI to generate wealth is by creating digital products and selling them online. For example, you can create an ebook, an app, a game, or a template and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Creative Market. Let me show you how I use an AI tool called Ritter to write an ebook in less than 10 minutes. First, I choose the ebook title, which is 100 Best Practices for Affiliate Marketers. Next, I click on the ebook template and choose the number of chapters I want in my book. In this case, I'll select 6 chapters. After clicking on Create Chapters, the AI will automatically generate chapters, sections, and titles for my ebook. And finally, I click on the Write Chapters button and let the AI do the rest of the work. As you can see, the AI has just generated a full chapter for my ebook, including a title, sections, and subsections. All I have to do now is click on the Next Chapter button and repeat the process until I finish the whole book. Once the AI has generated all the chapters, I can download the ebook in PDF format and start selling it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where I can earn royalties for every ebook sold. If you're looking for more ideas on how to make money with AI, I highly recommend checking out my previous videos where I cover a range of different methods. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.